10,000 of you are now part of the Villa Deluxe family. Wow, wow, wow. I cannot put in words of how grateful I am for each and every one of you. So today, Villa Deluxe isn't just a property. It's a space that is filled with love, joy, and unforgettable moments. You, our community, brought us to this moment. Every share, every like, every comment. Thank you. When I first dreamed of Villa Deluxe, it was just that, a dream. I wanted to create more than a villa. I wanted to create a space where people can come and feel at home, can reconnect with their loved ones, and escape from the everyday stress of life. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for believing in Villa Deluxe. Thank you to making this place your home away from home. Whether you visit us or you thinking about visiting us in the future, just know that you are part of the Villa Deluxe community and a part of the Villa Deluxe family. See you here in Jamaica at Villa Deluxe. Our doors open and awaits you.